Weak bird music, man. I've heard enough of that. Okay, let's go jump into one trial then. Group finder. I want friends. Poor dude. A real doctor. Do you not have an arm, or is it just invisible?
Is it coming out?
Excuse me, thank you.
I'm too sensitive for this shit.
Which one should I get, guys? Which do you recommend? Can you get I don't know. I think I saw someone using blind. Heal. Okay, heal it is.
Hope that works. You watch your ass here.
You are in control.
Blind for IRyS. Nah. As you progress through therapy, you can earn tools and medication to amplify your experience. Okay. This does remind me of Dead by Daylight in that sense.